Hello students, in previous video I have told you how to write an article. Students, in your syllabus there are two types articles which based on visual input and another article based on verbal input. Here this is a question from verbal input article. You are Naveen or Nima, senior journalist, The Hindu, write an article in 100 words on importance of newspapers. Okay. You are Nima and Naveen, the Hindu newspaper, write an article in 100 words on the importance of newspaper. Students, when we write an article, the title of the article should written in middle of the line. It should be written in capital letters, and below the title the writer's name should be written in bracket and right hand corner. By Naveen, senior journalist. If you are male, you should write Naveen, and if you are female, you write Nima. Okay. Now we start article writing. In first paragraph we write introduction in 3 and 4 lines. Look, introduction. The first 4 letters of the word newspaper are NEWS. A newspaper brings us news from all these 4 directions: east, west, north and south. Students, in introduction of your article should be effective. It should be effective and impressive. Students, in introduction you can use quotations, you can use rhetoric questions, etc. And second paragraph is exposition. We explore our topic in this paragraph. Newspapers are the window through which we see the things of country and the world. A good newspaper is a watchdog of democracy. Newspapers try to give us the latest news about the country and the world. Newspapers are eyes, ears, and the mind of the government and politicians. Newspapers are called the barometer of country. In this paragraph, we explore our topic. In this paragraph, we can give facts, we can write facts, we can write proofs, we can write statistic data, numerical data, we can comparison, we can write types related to our topic, etc. Okay. In the last paragraph, conclusion. There are many advertisements in a newspaper. They help trade and business. They increase our general knowledge. The number of newspaper readers is increasing very fast. Students, at last, in the last paragraph, we write conclusion. In conclusion, we can write a warning, we can give a hope, we can give a message, and we can do an appeal. Okay. Students, when you are writing an article, you should follow some points. Title should be written in capital letters. You should follow word limit. You should write your article within given words. Don't write too much long. Okay, students.